in the kitchen here of the JPD, the Sea Shepherd vessel, and I'm ready to make another delicious gourmet raw food plant-based design. So this is a Save the Sea Pate. You know, the traditional tuna pate? Well, there is absolutely no tuna whatsoever in this pate. It is safe for the oceans, but it does have seaweed. So this is nori, very high in vitamin C. It's super rich in minerals, iodine to help the thyroid. So we're going to start right here by adding these things to the food processor. These are walnuts. Walnuts actually look like a little brain, and true enough, they're high in omega-3 fatty acids, which is really good for the brain. And in fact, every single cell of the body has fat, so these help support the entire nervous system. Let's add that. And then we have carrots. Now, if you've ever looked at a carrot, you cut it in half. The doctor signatures, just like that brain, carrots look like an eye, and they actually help the rod cells, the provitamin A, which is the beta carotene, help your night vision. So let's add some of those. We need night vision when we're out on the open high seas, scanning the distance. Here we've got ginger and turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory compound, super potent, and with a little black pepper added, it actually intensifies your body's ability to absorb the curcumin. Okay, and we're going to add some dulse, my favorite seaweed. It gives it that smoky flavor, super soft and yummy. Some red onion. So all red, purple fruits and vegetables have what's called anthocyanins. So that's antioxidant that's really powerful and potent. We're going to add a little bit of coconut aminos for the salty flavor. And we're going to, lemon. So lemon provides not only that sour balance, which we're looking for when we're trying to make really gourmet, delicious food, but also it adds alkalinity. Right, let's do this. All right, let's give it a quick taste and see if the flavors are good. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Now, you know what else I'm going to add? To get just some more omega-3 fatty acids into the diet, the standard American diet is really lacking in those, so we're going to add some flax. Now, flaxseed, because of its mucilaginous properties, it's actually really difficult for the body to digest like this. So we want to blend it, but we want to blend it right before we're going to eat it. So let's put that in the Vitamix. All right, couple seconds. Literally, that's all it takes, and we've got fresh, yummy, nutty ground flax seeds straight up without having to worry about. Okay, so let's add that. So now the body is going to absorb those omega fatty acids way easier than if they were whole. Although whole, they're still nutritious and they act as some fiber for your digestive tract. Okay, let's give it a quick one more time with the. So you can process this as much as you want. You could put it until keep going till it's just a mushy paste. You can keep some texture in there, whatever you prefer. And you can use this with any food processor. A $20 food processor from a thrift store. Actually, they'd probably be even cheaper, like $5. So let me try this. Yeah, try this. My gosh, so good.
I never thought I'd have tuna patties again.
So we're gonna put this in here. Okay. Now what we want to do is, I'm being quick and messy here, but it's really easy. You know, you don't need those little bamboo mats. In fact, it's kind of a waste. So if you wash your hands, which I did, you can just press it in, okay, about 3/4 of your mat of the nori. Okay, now you want to take some fillings. We've got some cucumber. It's nice Cucumber, some radish. Yum. Mango, because we're in Florida and it's mango season. So we definitely should have some of that. Yum. Okay. And we want to add some amazing beet sprouts. Sprouts are incredible. In fact, I think they're a food that you should eat every day. You know, imagine this little guy. It's got the combined nutritional advantage of 100 little beets. Okay, and a few greens in the middle. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to match it. So the end here, we match to the end here. Hold in the fillings with our hands. Well, it's going to be a big one. Okay, and then we just pull it back. So we actually don't need those mats. I mentioned that already. This is the easy way. Just pulling it back. And when you get to the end, what you want to do is just take your lemon and wet the end so it'll stick. Yes. Okay, now we cut it in half, then in half, and then in half again. So that will give us 8 pieces. We can arrange it on our amazing little mariner plates that will not break when we are out at sea and the ship is going every which way. Alright, this is it here. Yeah, look at that, so delicious. Don't you wish you were here right now? Yes, that's it, the magic